Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set one-handed keyboard to left, right or off on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on general. Next, go down and tap on keyboard and then tap on one-handed keyboard. In here, you could select off, left, or right. Another way to access the one-handed keyboard is by opening up the keyboard itself. So here we got the keyboard, and then tap and hold on the globe icon. And in here, now at the moment there's no globe icon because I only have English as a language. But you can tap on this smiley face, and then you can choose left keyboard, or you can choose right keyboard, or you can choose off, which is a center keyboard. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off one-handed keyboard, or you can set it to the left or to the right on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.